All right, you guys know I love Decal Works for wraps and seat covers, and we just got our wrap and seat cover for the KX250 from them, and I'm super excited because they also threw in something for you guys, which I'll show you here in a minute. Thank you, Decal Works, for all your support. Now let's check out these graphics and this new seat cover. And once again, they absolutely nail it out of the park with these graphics. I really can't even say enough good things about this company, so if you're in the market for a dirt bike wrap or seat cover, make sure to head on over and check them out. I'll link them in the description. So guys over at Decal Works said, hey, we like what you're doing. We would be willing to donate a t-shirt for one of your subscribers to win. All you have to do to get entered to win this shirt, completely free, is comment on this video and any video between now and March 14th. So along with graphics, they also sent us this fresh sheet cover right here, so we're gonna get it opened up and take a look at it. And man, this thing is just as beautiful as the graphics. It's definitely gonna pop out on the bike. Thank you, Decal Works, again. Let's get back into it. That is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Huge shout out to all the companies that helped make this possible. There'll be links in the description if you're looking for any parts that were used in this video. Make sure to leave a comment so you can win a free t-shirt. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.